Good morning.
Volare o su klikade.
Oh, it's a beautiful day this morning.
And no rain today, which is nice. Going to make some breakfast, so get some water ready for it. Đâu có nhai thì có phó tiền từ có là qua breakfast mà.
I was out this morning. Baka mao chadi choma no. Chadi chaw the baka chok with I would have mushroom, cilantro, chilies, and then we're gonna fry a potato and asparagus for breakfast. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna fry up the. Oh, we need garlic for the potato. I would have chaw alu the morning. Me chaw the garlic ne. It has a good flavor.
Wokotao de all willy. Then again, my current shirt smell like barbecue from the night before and this morning. I would add you about your chick at Jevo, and then I'm going to hang out by the river for a little bit while waiting for the current shirt to dry up. I would have mukuro chai nachura we bagnya chicken and lulo the joke one it dries very quick. Current shirt is very easy, very fast to dry. Takes about half an hour with the under the hot sun. That's Chabuto Bali. We are going for a walk to the river and to see the waterfall. Chilachulkai is not far from my campsite, Abolamo. Tiglotoboy has many fish.
getting a little bit in the evening now, so I will start cooking. Well, it's 2 a.m. in the morning here. The last fire just burned, so I'm going to bed now. Anyway, this is my tent. You can see it's pretty tight. Okay, well, I'm done. And anyway, it's not that I should worry. This place is pretty safe actually, but you know, it's always good at protection. So yeah, I'm going to bed, and I'll see you again next time.